Hey there, welcome to English 104. Because of the Labor Day holiday, we don't have a Class Connect session this week. So I thought I'd take a few minutes to make a quick video and give you a tour of our class, as well as go through some expectations for this first week of school. If you look right in front of you, one big area that you're going to want to pay special attention to every time you log in is this class news section. Right now I have a welcome note listed here for you that I'd like you to read through. In addition to that, you found this video hopefully, and then there's also just a quick video about me that you can watch. You'll notice as you read through that welcome email that it lists our Class Connect time. So although we don't have a Class Connect session this week, we will next week, and we will every week after that. Our Class Connect sessions will be held on Mondays from 3 to 4. However, if you need to get a hold of me before then, you can always K-mail me or call me, or even stop by my open office hours, which are 11 to 12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. In addition to wanting to check out this class news section, another area that you want to pay special attention to today and every day moving forward is this class plan area. The class plan is actually super neat. I was able to go through and load all of the lessons that you have due this week in the class plan. In addition to all the lessons you have to do, I was also able to link in your assignments that are due. So you want to take a look at your class plan for today and for this week. One of the first things that you need to do is look at your course materials. So that's the very first thing that I put in your class plan. To look at that, all you need to do is click right here underneath class plan, course materials, and it should bring you directly to it. So this is the course material section. In here you're going to find the syllabus, which is right here. You want to download this and then print it off so you have a copy of it. In addition to the syllabus, you also have my teacher contact information. This is a really important section of this page that you want to pay close attention to. If you click on teacher contact information, it's going to give you my phone number. It's also going to give you my office hours, which I've already told you about, so 11 to 12, Monday through Thursday. It also gives you the link to my classroom, so if you want to stop by and say hi today, or if you have a question later on this week, you can do so. You can just go to this link. And then the other really important thing is our Class Connect, which again is on Mondays from 3 to 4 p.m. except for this Monday, or this week I should say, because we had Labor Day on Monday, so you don't have a Class Connect this week. Make sure you write all of this down. You don't want to forget any of this good information. Okay, to get out of here and to get back to that front page that we had when you logged in, you just have to click Class Home. Okay, once you've checked out the class plan and you've checked out your course materials, you're going to want to get started on the first lesson for the semester. Again, it's located in the class plan right here. Your first lesson is a Semester 1 Introduction. So here it says September 8th, Semester 1 Introduction. To do that, you just have to click on it. It'll bring you right to the lesson. This bar up here tells you your progress. Because I've gone through this lesson myself, it says that I'm at 100% complete. When you log on, it's going to say 0%. But then as you move through each of these activities, you're going to see that blue line populate a little bit more until you hit 100%. Make sure that when you're completing your assignments that you are doing every single section in the lesson. You should have little arrows going front and back. Those arrows are right here. That'll guide you right through the lesson. Another really important thing that I'm going to pull up and show you is that on most lessons, in fact I believe on all of your lessons, you are going to have something called a student guide. It's right here listed under materials. For every lesson, download that, print it off. Use it to take notes as you move through the lesson. That's going to come in handy on future assignments and then at the end of the unit when you have a test to take. You're really going to want these so you can study off of them. So make sure you don't skip this. Make sure that you always download the student guide and print it off so you can take notes. Okay, I'm going to go back to our class homepage. Once you've completed looking at the course materials and then completed the semester 1 introduction, you are done for the day. When you log in on Wednesday, you're going to have an assignment called 6-Word Memoirs, which is a really fun assignment and kind of a cool way for me to get to know you. On Thursday, you have a lesson called What is Autobiography? And then on Friday, you have a lesson called A Cub Pilot. So you will want to make sure that by the end of this week, you have accomplished all of these things. You want to make sure that you've managed to get through all of these right through to A Cub Pilot and the 6-word memoir being turned in. The reason that you see 6-word memoir down here on the 11th and up here on the 9th is because even though you start the lesson here on the 9th, you'll see in the instructions that the assignment itself is not due until the 11th. And so when you log in on the 11th, you'll see this little reminder that you need to get this turned in. Another really important part of this page is the grades section. If you click on the grades section, you are going to see every single assignment you're going to have this semester. At this point, you're not going to have any grades in there, but as you start completing things and I get them graded, you're going to see them point up, or you're going to see them pop up over here. So this will be a really important screen that you'll use pretty frequently. Another part of this page that you should be aware of is the class content section. The class content are your lessons and your assignments. I have gone ahead and I've put them all over here in the class plan section for you. So you can access them under class content, or you can just access them over here under class plan. The nice thing about class plan is it tells you when everything is due. Class content lists all of the different lessons, but it doesn't tell you when they're due. The class plan assigns you due dates for when you have to complete those lessons. Okay, if you have questions today, make sure that you stop by the open office, my open office hours from 11 to 12, or send me a K-mail. I'm really looking forward to working with you this year. I hope you have a good first day of school.